how to create highlights on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Instagram application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you get to your home page, now you have to navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then you will be taken to your profile page. Now, to add or to create highlight, you have to add the pictures or your archive stories to highlight. In order to do so, tap on the plus icon or new from your interface. Here, you will get to see all your stories archive here. So simply select the stories that you would like to add to highlights in order to create a new highlight. Once you select that, then tap on next from the upper right corner. Now you have to add the title for your highlights. So add the title whatever you prefer or whatever you want. If you would like to edit the cover of your highlights, tap on edit cover. Now you can either the cover or image from your gallery, or you can also keep the highlight image as a cover image also. And once you're done with that, tap on done from the upper right corner. And if you're done with the title and the cover image, tap on done from the upper right corner. And as you can see, the highlight has been created in my profile. And that's how you create highlight on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next videos.